Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Werner aluminum ladder. Yes, Werner brand. It's very, very good ladder. I've had this ladder for a good about 6-7 years now, and it has done me very well. It's made of aluminum and it's about 6 feet tall. Yeah. I know it comes in several different colors. I got the yellow. My wife prefers yellow, pretty much, and I didn't really care. So yeah, and it's sturdy. It's very strong. What I use this ladder for is pretty much to do work on the outside of my house, painting the house. I had some painting going on the other side of the house a while back ago. It took a great deal of time, and this ladder worked out for me. I also use it for yearly when I hang my Christmas lights. I do that all over the house, and I have literally been on this very top part here, standing 2 feet. Yeah, and it worked very well. It's a very sturdy ladder. It doesn't shake much at all. You know, it's like really sturdy. You feel safe on it. Yeah, and it holds way over 200 pounds. Now, I know that because at one point there's 5 steps here all the way up. I was on one side and a buddy of mine was on this side, and we were both just close to 200 pounds apiece, and we were working and it did not founder. You know, it was fine. The ladder really held, and it didn't feel like it was having trouble at all. It's really good ladder, really strong. And like I said, I've had it for a long time now, and I don't really have any issues with it at all. So like I said, there's 5 stairs, goes up, it's 6 feet, and on the top here you have different things that you can use to hold whatever might need held, at the very top. Yeah, and this part is really strong. Like I said, the whole thing is aluminum and very sturdy. I like the ladder a lot. I do. I am going to probably purchase another one that is almost twice the size, because I would like to get up on the very top of my house without having to stand on that top part like that. Even though the ladder handles it, the fear comes in play sometimes as far as just falling. Not the ladder falling, but just a good brisk wind coming by or something while you're standing up there. Yeah, so yeah, other than that, I mean, I really like the ladder. I really do. Done good by me. I've let a few friends borrow it, and they've had no issues. Now at the bottom here, it's pretty rugged. You see, each foot has this sturdy brace, and underneath let's show you. Let me show you this side. There is a rubber under there, so it's kind of like textured. It grips the ground really good, and makes it so it doesn't shake at all or move, like kind of like a car tire, so yeah, and each foot has that. So it's good. It makes it so there's no sliding. or anything like that, you know. Good. I like these ladders. And I don't think you're supposed to stand on these parts here, but we did, and it worked really well. So I am not suggesting that anyone use that part to stand on. We did, and the ladder held, you know, very good, and it didn't even bend, you know, in any area. I mean, as far as these things, it held the weight. But I think those parts are just supposed to use for braces, I think, you know. But yeah, it's a very good ladder, and I've used it several times, and I do not see a downside, really. Not that I wish that there was. Oh, well, if I could, and if it was my choice, I probably would have got the orange one. I don't really care about the color, but I would have probably got the orange one if it wasn't for my wife being there at the time. Yeah. Okay, well, that is the Werner 6-foot ladder. Like it a lot, guys. All right, well, I hope you use this information, and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.